Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a winter cinnamon roll. So let's get started. To draw this cozy white puppy from Sanrio, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. Nice and big. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide and say about right here and draw another oval. There. So I have my two ovals in, then I'm going to come in between and draw the mouth. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to draw this wobbly, kind of like a flattened out W and go back up. There. And I'll come above each eye and just lightly draw a curve. And then we need to frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye and come out and say about right here. I'll just give myself 2 points. Same thing on the other side. And using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for the side of the face right around the eye. Just makes it a little bit easier for me to figure out how to draw the face. So now that I have these two curves right there, I can go ahead and bring this in. So as I bring it in, I'm going to come in. So we're giving Cinnamoroll some cheeks. And same thing here. Just bring it in to about the same height. And then from there, we can go ahead and connect it. And I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way across with a shallow curve and connect, because we need to draw a scarf. But before we draw the scarf, let's go ahead and finish the top. So we're going to come right here and go up just a little bit more on both sides. And then I'm going to skip a little bit of space and continue and just draw a small curve. So same thing here, skip a little bit of space and draw a small curve going in. And then today we need to put a hat on Cinnamoroll. So instead of just drawing a curve to finish it, I'm going to come about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve connecting these 2 points right here. Then I can go ahead and you come back right here and round this off for my hat. So same thing here. And connect so that Cinnamoroll is nice and warm. Okay, so now that I have that shape in, I'm going to go ahead, come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a curve and bring it in. Then at the top right here, just add a little poof ball, that'll be extra cute. So I'm just going to wobble and connect. There. And then let's see here. Then we need to draw the ears, right? So I'm going to come back into this space about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw these cute floppy ears. I'm going to come in and then out. Not too long. So let's say about right here, I'm going to round it off. And I want to bring it back to here. So let's go ahead. So make it nice and round. And bring it back in. There. Make some adjustments. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to draw the other one, and it doesn't have to be in the same, flopping the same height. So on this side, maybe I'll just bring it down a little bit. So let's say about right here, same thing. I'm just going to come down, and my goal is just to try to make it about the same length. That's the goal, so that it doesn't look too off. So say about there, and then once again, go ahead and connect everything. There, so maybe a tad too long, right? Maybe I could bring it in a little bit, we'll see. Okay, so now that I have these floppy ears in, let's go ahead and draw the scarf. So I'm going to come back to this area right here, about here, and draw a curve and come in. So same thing here on the other side. draw a curve and bring it in. And about there, go ahead and connect it. So we have our scarf, and then let's see here. Then let's come in a little bit, say about here on both sides. So same thing here, and then we can come down to draw the body. So I'm going to come down at a slight angle, and same thing here, slight angle, and then let's go ahead and finish it. So we're going to come in a little bit, about right here, not too big. So here, right there, and then bring it in a little bit, and then come out and draw the feet. Just a little curve, and then bring it in. So same thing here, little curve, and bring it in, and then we can go ahead and connect it. There, and then we can draw the hands. So let's come to the side right here. We still have some room, and we're going to draw a curve down, and then I'm going to cut it off, add a little trim right here, and then the hands. Tiny little hands, and same thing here. So just drag that across, just so I make sure about the same size on both sides. Little trim, and then a curve. There. And then let's see, and then the tail, of course, right? So I'll pop it on this side, so nice and big. So let's say about right here, and bring it in, and then a little curve on the inside for the very important Cinnamoroll tail. And then for the scarf, let's add the tail to the scarf. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and pop out one tail here, and then another one maybe about right here. There, and then we can add some of the, not sure what you call this, tassels that come out from our scarf. Okay, there. And then to finish off our scarf, let's come to the center right here, about here, and I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, and I'm just going to draw a curve. So give our scarf some stripes, and on this side I'm going to draw it this way, and on this side we'll go this way to give our scarf some definition. And then same thing on the hat. So let's say about right here in the center, draw two curves. This side we're going to go across, and one more. There. And if you like, you can put a little jacket on Cinnamoroll here. So I'm going to come to the center. Wasn't too sure what kind of jacket, but let's come to the center. I'm going to go to the left a little bit, go to the right approximately, and then I'm going to come down with a straight line. Same thing here. And then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and just curve over. So same thing here. Just curve over, and then come down here, and then draw another curve to finish off the jacket. And then a little, I guess I could have just drawn the straight line first. Forgot about that. There, for a little jacket, winter coat, and of course let's add a heart right here to decorate the jacket. And almost forgot, let's add some stripes here as well, and here. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this winter Cinnamoroll that's all warm and cozy. I really hope you love it and that it brought a smile to your day. And if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.